To this little mobile, try it again. Break.
777, gonna get in that 28 series, 28 big old ears. Hello, 777 coming at you.
Hey, 777, I got you that time. You made it through all the hash and trash, man. Sounds like a bee's in the trap, no doubt about it. Hello, 777. I hope I can get it back. Your friend 28 waved and gone.
Oh yeah, my friend, you ain't got no problems getting it back down here to 777. Just smoke one of his boxes, though. Just smoke this big box and throw one little box now.
Oh, I hate when that happens, 777. I hate when that happens. Well, I don't think you're gonna need it tonight, man. The way Mother Nature's rolling, real good condition tonight. You sounded real good. Got you on my little video gate too, 777. Can you hear me, babe?
Yeah, there, 28. Yo, 777 had a downgrade tonight. Done smoked that dang old Texas Star 667. Had to go down to the Texas Star 350. Hey, Steve, trying to get back to you one more time. How about it, 28?
Well, 777, I tell you what, man. You must have one heck of an antenna system, because you're up in my cherry patch. No two ways about that one. I got the video gate rolling to prove it, too. Hey, 777, keep on doing what you're doing. I hope you get that box fixed. And I appreciate the wave, my friend. They call me 28 in the mobile around Chicago, and I'm gone.
Hey, country boy, look at your radio. Hey, country boy, look at your radio. Hey, country boy, all you gotta do is look at your radio. I'm old school. My radio talks to me. I talk to my radio. Hey, country.
5777, 28, gone.
I'm getting down. 54, Virginia. Yeah, I remember my wheel along with that break. I remember that break at house, man. I've been in the truck riding this. I talked to you earlier, see, dude. I sure did have my truck. But country boy, he had anybody but me, man. I figured I'd come out here, put a blanket across and let me to band. Hey, country boy, just real wide to the birds. Said his mother makes him mod, somebody took that down. Here.
I believe I heard my friend on the band. So I'm going to squeeze this trigger because I am a skip jumper. Hey, Dirty Bird, while you working that drop top chicken box? Your friend 28 Chicago on the mail.
In Georgia, I'm back out.
Hey, Dirty Bird, who you talking to? Hey, Dirty Bird, I got a nose problem. Hey, Dirty Bird, your friend 28 Mobile, Chicago looking for you.
Yeah, man. I got roughly about, I got about 4.5. Somebody on the bird show. Tipping out about 5 bushels on this top. Tipping out this 5,000 watt slow. Almost real close, about 4,800, man. Real wide, Dirty Bird, 650. I'm putting a little weight on the plate. I'm getting on down.
Hey, Dirty Bird, who you talking to, man? I got a nose problem. Hey, Dirty Bird, who in the world are you talking to? 28 Mobile, Chicago, nosy, right back.
Yeah, right now we're talking to you. Hey, 28, when you got to put my radio right there and ask me who I'm talking to so clear, I'm going to talk to you. Hey, 28, Dirty Bird in the rule, so what you want to do about it? Break a.
I'm going to talk to my friend, man. Because you came up in my chair bed and took sole control, and I got to read my radio. Been a while, Dirty Bird. What's going on with you? Break back.
Been in the lake all day. Now there we go, like it had 15 people on a 24-foot party boys. Mostly kids, maybe 3 adults, the rest of them children. Shoot, we had them all out here from from 3 years old to 15. Big old time out here pulling the team on the great big old party boys. What you think? Break.
Well, that sounds like a good time. I hope we got some good weather, too. Kind of cold and rainy out in Chicago right now. But that sounds like a good time. I just wanted to squeeze this trigger to say howdy doody. Don't want to keep you too long, because I don't want you to get in trouble. I know you're working that drop top chicken box, no two ways about it. And is smoking too, I ain't joking. You're all over my cherry patch in Chicago. I had to squeeze this trigger because you know I am a skip junkie. And when Mother Nature rolls into town, I got to squeeze this trigger and say howdy doody to my friend Dirty Bird. We got a sloppy copy, 28 on.
So there ain't no one of struggle there. But I got to I got a pool bag and I got a lot of action going on in the U.S. I got 2 or 3 of my little trading out over here. We just come off the party boards and then on hoverboards. And I'm seriously thinking about cleaning up this grill. Put it on the later on in 28, just smoking in my backwoods. You can hear up in there, man. Hope you enjoy the weekend. Hope the world holiday finds you well. I'm 28, tell them don't get it twisted. I want 30 birds of rain with a drop-top chicken box in my Georgia woods. I got that on.
You don't worry about a thing. You don't worry about a thing. Dirty Bird, you're all by yourself. All right, my friend, I'm going to take a goodbye. I don't want to hold up the band, but I sure wanted to wave a hand while I can. You're smoking, I ain't joking. I think you must have made a move. Your audio was bodacious. I sure wanted to let you know about it. I will put it on you later, my friend. They call me 28 in the mobile around Chicago, and I'm gone now.
Hey, myself, appreciate it. Got it all. Take it easy. Take care. 28, you got that wheel rolling. I'll pull it back, my friend. Take it easy. Take care. Anytime, anywhere. Worldwide, dirty bird. The drop top chicken bobs. I got down. I'll see you now. Clear. No, man.
Bye. And I got it all because you said it all, and I'm gone.
He's gone. Bye. That's what he said, now. He did say bye.
But I'm still reading this mail on my driver, and I'm gone.
Bye now. Behave now.
That sounds like a Ricochet.
Hey, country boy, you always making it up, man. You always laying it down my town. Country boy, Ricochet, right back.
Now, Ricochet, why are you going to squeeze that trigger and not say how to do it to 28? Why you sounding so good all the time? 28 don't.
Hey, 28, is that, hey, 28 in Mobile, wait? What's going on, bigger?
Yeah, it's 28 in Mobile. I was trying to wave the Ricochet real quick and then get out of the way. And I guess he's got his ears been back. Who's looking for 28 Chicago? Let's talk about it.
Georgia, come on. Hey, 28 Chicago, you hammering down here, man. Hey, 28, you hammering down in Northwest Florida? Hey, 28, you watchmaker looking, right?
Right there, right now, watchmaker. Okay. Yeah, I didn't mean to plug up the airwaves. I just wanted to make sure my friend, my good friend over there with the drop top chicken box could hear me. You know how that gets, that Dirty Bird. I want to make sure I was in his ear hole. But I sure didn't mean to plug up the station. And now I'm trying to get a hold of Ricochet one time and wave and get out the way. But I appreciate you squeezing that trigger. Watchmaker, you're smoking around Chicago. Can you hear me, man?
Oh, 28, I got it all. Dirty Bird down there, Ricochet, you tell myself what happened. Hey, country boy, one more time. Your friend in the South, Ricochet, click. Kevin here, and I am reading the mail.
Appreciate it, Watchmaker. Okay, my friend. God bless you and the family. Appreciate the wave. You're smoking around Chicago, too. Sounding real good in my receive. You keep on doing what you're doing. I will put it on you later. Watchmaker way down south in the same pod. 28 still gonna be a wave with them.
Right about there, brother, because you're riding on the top of all of them right about now, man. So that artillery you're working right about now is doing the hickey in the South. Hey, country boy, you got the artillery laying down at about 40 over right about there. Country boy, Ricochet, big old day now.
Hey, Ricochet, I'm gonna try and put some weight on it, man. I just want to wave my hand. Hey, Ricochet, how many bushels I gotta put in the world of sound to get in your ear hole? 28 little mobile got all the way down.
Ricochet, come out. Ricochet, Georgia, break.
Got that Ricochet, okay, I apologize. Yeah, I got a little rough there for a minute. But I got you in my ear hole that time around. Ricochet, I heard you in there. I just want to let you know you were smoking around Chicago. Wave my hand when I can. And get out the middle of the road before I get run over. Ricochet, your friend, 28 Mobile, got down.
28, all you, man. You stood by yourself. That go around, man. Hey, 28, you stood all alone on that key right about now. Ricochet, Georgia. Hey, 28, here's some proof in the pudding. Listen up. Ricochet, I heard you. I just want to let you know you were smoking around Chicago. Wave my hand while I can. And get out the middle of the road before I get run over. Ricochet, your friend, 28 Mobile, got down. 28, mean, bad, Mobile. Ricochet, click.
Appreciate that water game, Ricochet. You made my night. No way about that. It's good to know it's working, man. I'm working this old, rusty old Chevy to the bone. Got this thing spinning at 4,000 RPMs. And it's stock motor, too. Appreciate it, Ricochet. I'm going to put that up on 28 Chicago, too. 28's Little Mobile, Chicago. Got all the way down.
Put it on the gate. So here it is on the gate. Check it out. Listen up. And that's when it went down Ricochet town, break.
That sounds a little bit rough in my machine. That sounds like, you know, there's a whole bunch of us, but that sounds like a bunch of bees. I'm going to try and get over the bees. I'm going to try and get all by myself. Hey, Ricochet, 28, trying to get all by myself. Bang.
All right, man, I'm gonna let the gate speak for itself, man. Here's the proof in the pudding. Listen up. Hey, 28, there's the proof in the pudding there, break.
Got it all. People sitting on Ricochet. I appreciate it, my friend. I can't say too long because I ain't too strong. I don't want to blow up this old Chevy. And I can do it 2 times. I can do it 2 times. Put it on you later, Ricochet. You have a good night. God bless you and the family. And I will put it on you later. 28 and more. 28 Mobile got all the way down.
All right, 28, take care, man. Good job, man. Good job. You hold your own right about now, man. Hey, 28, there's a bunch of them fired now, man. I got about 35 on you right about there. Hey, 28, good job, man, in the heavy Chevy. Ricochet, one more time. Watergate is right back. I can't do it all because I ain't too strong. I don't want to blow this old Chevy. And I can do it 2 times. I can do it 2 times. Put it on you later, Ricochet. Have a good night. God bless you and your family. We'll put it on you later. 28 and more. 28, behave now. I'm back in the bushes. Ricochet, click.
Bye, Ricochet, all by yourself, too. Bye, Ricochet, you're all by yourself, too. I will put on you later, and I'm gone now.
All right, 28, you got my radio when you key up, man. I guess we got a lockdown right about now. We got it going on, man. We got the pipeline, 828. Ricochet gone.